Hello guys, as I said, I'm back with these two devices, and in this video we are going to check out how can we pair these two devices together so that you and your friend can have a good conversation while you guys are riding. So a word about these devices, that why I prefer these devices over regular Bluetooth devices, because these are very handy when it comes to your in helmet audio. You cannot have a comfortable helmet with a comfortable Bluetooth device. I mean, if you want to have a very small Bluetooth device in your ear, then they had to be earplugs, and those are not safe, to be honest. And you have to have it wired with your shirt, and the device will be in your shirt clipped. So there are problems, but hardcore riders like us will always use one helmet, one particular main helmet, and you can always have this device with your helmet. So these are making more sense right now, and that is why me and my friend have decided to go for this once again, because our previous device was fried. And okay, so let's go. Let's talk about these devices. So these are two devices, and you can see there are an awful lot of buttons. So I'll go through the buttons once again. This is the open button. These are the volume rockers. This is the light, LED light, and this is the phone button. This is the turn off button. This little button over here, it is the turn off button. And this B, C, D, E are the intercom buttons. Means if you have four devices connected with this device, then you will have to find the first device you connected in B. Then you can swipe to C for the next device, D, E, same procedure. So it is very handy in a group ride. So whenever you are going in a group ride, and you can have these devices in each helmet, and you guys can talk the whole way. It reduces the fatigue. It cheers you in the ride for if you are going on a very long cruise. This is an absolutely great thing to have. Okay, so let's start with the procedure. So how to turn it on first? I will show you how to turn it on and off. Then I will show you how to connect with each other. So you have to press this for 3 seconds, and yeah, these are now turned on, and the blue light is coming on and off. At this point you can attach your you can pair your phone with this thing, but there is another process you have to follow to in order to pair your phone, that I will discuss in my next video. In this video right now I'm going to stop, turn these things off with this little button over here, and these are now off. Now if you want to connect this with each other, and then what you have to do is you have to press and hold this button, and do not let go of it before 7 seconds, and before this red and blue rhythmic lights come on. So now these lights have come on. They are in a pairable mode. Now you can press either of these buttons. This open button. I will press this button once, and now this device is searching for other pairable device, and this is a pairable device. So wait for it, and let's see what happens. Yeah, right now these things are paired. The light is coming on in both devices. Yeah, these things are now paired, and let's go. But in order to really communicate with each other, you have to press the same button once again. So let's see what happens. And at this point you know that you are connected with your rider. So normally in other devices, at least in my previous device, the last step was the final step, and you could have a communication with within the two helmets. But in here you have to press it once more in order to communicate. So that is all for this video. Now you can have a good conversation with your friend, and if you want to turn it off, you can just turn it off like this. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Please check out my other videos. I will be posting more videos about this device and how to connect it with a phone, which is not on normal procedure as the other Bluetooth devices. And I am also going to make a video about how you have to install it in your helmet. So be sure to subscribe, and please like my videos if you like them, and ride safe.